Good morning, y'all. Um, I'm in here getting my hair together. It's gonna be a long ass day. Um, Yesterday, my car was making a funny noise. I'm just thinking maybe something stuck underneath the damn car. Well, with that being said, I have a big ass screw in my tire. I just purchased these tires. Let me set this right here. No, that's not good. Alright. I actually bought these ties like a month ago from Mercedes, and I paid a pretty penny for them. But I think that's why they were so expensive. Um, they have warranty on them. So when I first was purchasing tires, they told me that the warranty would cover mostly everything if something's wrong with any one of the tires. I can go to any one of the Mercedes-Benz dealerships, drive up, they change it, whatever the case may be. So I'm waiting for the shop to open because for 4 of these damn tires, I paid like $1,500. So I need clarification. So I'm in here trying to help him do this because I know I might need some. Let me do this real quick. I know I'm probably gonna need some air in the doggone tire before I start rolling. 1 second, come on. Alright. Thank God they run flats. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some air in them till I can call Mercedes this morning and see. But I'm gonna show y'all. I am gonna show y'all. I don't feel like flat ironing up this morning. It's gonna be a ponytail. By the way, this is frontal weed with some 12-inch hair. I think it's 12. Something short, dyed it myself, customized the wig myself, and bam. Yep. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. No eyelashes, no nothing. I'm just disgusted at this point because those tires wasn't cheap. But I'm not gonna brag on them and keep worrying myself because it is what it is. So hopefully they'll be covered. I'm gonna need some earrings. Look bow. I look bow. Bow, bow, bow. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh. Awesome. Give me something simple. Yeah, my closet is a mess. I know. All right, I think I'm ready. Let me see, do I want to put on the chain? Try to dress this up some what I got on. Not too much. Oh, excuse me, my sinus been acting up real bad. It is Wednesday, hump day. The countdown is here. I'm ready for Friday. Get this work week over. All right, now we look like stuff. Oops. Yep, so I'm about to finished getting ready. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm about to get my shoes and get ready to get out of this house. I'm making me some coffee too, so yeah. Simple but cute. All right, let's see. They've been giving so much doggone rain. What I can put on? Some black sandals, yep. Something simple. All right, now set this one. Yep. What's that card? Here. All right, y'all. I think I am ready. Show y'all my little work outfit. Be able to get outside this damn door. Put air in this tire. All right, y'all. This is my little simple work outfit. Just something simple. Didn't have to wear this, but why not? You know? Why not? So, ooh, look at that face. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead, look outside this damn door, see what this air looking out. Ooh. Yep, go outside. I know I need to check this tire before I get my ass on the road, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, y'all, look at this damn tire. It's low. I don't think you can see the screw, maybe, but it's a big ass screw, and my husband suggested we don't take it out because it's probably gonna go out there faster. So, yeah, start this off. As soon as you start the car, the tire light on, of course. If you ain't got one, keep you one of these. It's big. I'm gonna just leave it in the dog one. About to set this damn thing up. Alright, let's see. Oh, I don't do this. Just sit me. Alright, ooh. I'm gonna come back. Let me do this. Alright, finally got it. So while that's doing that, I need to go in and get my coffee and stuff together. Oh my God. Oh God, please let Mercedes tell me to come first thing this morning. Please. Please, Lord. My coffee. Guess I'll probably stop to McDonald's and get a oatmeal. Let's see. Put your sugar. That is that. I don't think I need nothing else. I'll do that and then put this damn air pump up. I don't know if y'all know this, but let me see. Probably gonna have a glare. I used to have the regular yellow lights. My yellow light bulbs burn out, and I actually bought the daylight one. You really can, it is so clear and just pure and natural, and I tell you, natural, and I love it. Very natural light. Eventually I'm gonna do one room at a time, changing all those bulbs out, take the yellow ones out. I am here.
Just by simply locking your doors, you can greatly decrease your chances of becoming a victim. Many vehicle burglaries are provided in your region. For more information about vehicle burglaries and other crime prevention, visit our website or give us a call.
Hey y'all, just leaving the dealership. It is 10:49. It has been a very, very long morning. Had to be into work for 7. Car damn. Well, let me start over. The tire, the bolt came out the tire, so pull over. Call roadside assistance. I was able to drive my car to the dealership because I have run flats. The only thing was I just went a little slower to try to get to the dealership. It wasn't too far from Gramercy, under 50 miles. But anyways, my whole morning is gone. I am tired, disgusted, and everything else. Almost 11 o'clock, so it's like a 4-hour difference from where I damn started off at. I'm just ready to go home. Was going into work, like plans done changed. By the time I make it to Gramercy, it's gonna be time to go pick up lunch for my children. It's just a mess. I just need to start over tomorrow and do something different because half of the damn work day done gone. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is just work from home. I'm just over this. I'm over it. Then to make things even crazier, airline close to where work is closed. It's closed due to a fatality. So I gotta bypass that. Everything else, it's just a mess today. Start over. That's all I need to do. Start over. Sitting in the backyard at home. Very tired. I'm just tired, just chilling. But yeah, that's what most of the day consists of. Trying to get myself to start the day off, and that didn't work that way. So I'm sitting in the backyard, easing my mind. It is hot, but hey, it is what it is. So until next time, y'all.